So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and use the i2p application. Now, this is like a secure network protocol option that you basically have. Now, the way to do this is to start off, you want to download the i2p application. So go through, it looks something similar to this. And what you're going to want to do here is you want to download the app and you can open it up like this. When you first bring into it, it might give you a prompt to configure some things. You can always configure it the way you want to. Now, when you first do it, you can go through and kind of configure out a few things, but you can see if you click on something, it doesn't really go through. Now, you're going to have to first start off by long pressing to start the i2p application. So you can tap on here and it will actually start basically kind of running its thing and start doing its thing. Now from here, it'll start you'll be able to check the tunnels here. So it says tunnels are not initialized yet. Please reload in 2 minutes and then you'll be able to see your server tunnels and all these other things. And then your addresses. So these are different addresses that you can basically go through and kind of start using here if you want to configure a browser. Now, the big thing to keep in mind here is that you will have to go through and configure this whichever way you want to. So if you want, you can go through and download a third-party application. You can download like a third-party browser, like something like Firefox, for example, and you can use Firefox with its i2p status to basically start utilizing it that way. So you can download the Firefox application right here, and you can basically install the i2p protocol, and that will allow you to route the traffic through the i2p application. So once you have this running and everything, you'll then be able to start siphoning whatever you have on your internet browsers through here, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. And whenever you're done, you can go through and just long press this to stop it, and it will basically just stop the i2p protocol. So that's how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.